There you go. All right, so now we're doing 18 through 20. So now my formula is going to be
W equals theta over t. Now, what is that formula for? I heard it. Angular speed. Angular speed. So now, to find and evaluate the missing variable. Find the value of the missing variable. So if I have W and I have t, W equals theta over t. Which one am I looking for? Theta. What would I do? I'm going to do the algebra first. Multiply by t, right? So TW is equal to theta, right? And so if I multiply that out, it's going to be, so 5 times pi over 8, 5 pi over 8, and that's going to be radian. So 5 pi over 8 radians. Okay, now let's take a look at 19. It says R equals
4 centimeters.
Okay, 4 centimeters. W is this. And use a formula. V equals RW. Okay, so now, which one am I looking for? I'm looking for V, right? So all I have to do is just plug it in. So V equals R, which is 4, times W, which is pi over 9. So that's going to give me that V is equal to 4 pi over 9 centimeters per second. Very good. cm per second. There we go. All right. So are we okay here now? All right. So that one's going to be...
You're going to give us the speed formula too, right?
Correct? Yes. All right. I think I already said that. Do you want me to go back to the video for it and play it back for you?
I'll listen to you later.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So now, this next one says use formula S equals RWT. S equals RWT. Find the value of the missing variable. You have S, you have R, and you have T. So which one are we looking for? Okay, so now to do algebra first, what am I going to do? RT. So, bam, bam. So W is equal to S divided by RT. Okay, so that's going to be S, which is pi over 5 divided by 7 times 4. There we go. So on my calculator, so I'm going to do this here. So I'm going to start off with this one right here. So now this is going to be this fraction here. So now for this piece right here, I'm going to fraction in the top. So now my cursor's in the top, I'm going to do another fraction there. So if you notice that this bar is bigger than this bar here, right? Okay, so that's where I go to the pi over 5. Do you want me to rewind the video? So I'll do it again. Let me finish up, okay? Over. So now in the bottom it's going to be 7 times 4. Yes, that guy.
The thing's still showing.
The thing is still showing?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. There we go. All right. There we go. So I should end up with 0.022 blah. Okay, radians per second, right? So this one's going to be W. So this is going to be, you'll see right here why I'm doing this, 0.022 rad per second. But wait.
It's in decimal.
Okay, this in decimal and those are in fractions, right? Okay, so what would I do instead because I have a pi in there? What could I do? Okay, put a 1 instead of a pi. So there we go. So we put a 1 instead of the pi, and then it will leave it in terms of pi. So this is why I said I was going to do it again. divided by, right? So there's my big divisor, this one here. And then I have a fraction on top. So it's 1 over 5.
Or wait, no, you wrote 3 on the page there.
That's a 5.
Yeah, you did write 3.
Where's 3?
Under 5.
Under pi?
Yeah, there's 5. This looks like a 3.
I'm sorry, that's a 5. Okay, so it's 5 from there too. So over 7 times 4. Okay, hit enter, and I get 1 over 140. So it's going to be pi over 140. Very good. Now, I have, this was going to be my answer. Now, what else could I have done if I didn't know to do that? Put in all the answers, right? So I can do that. So it'd be, I could do the same thing. So like 35 pi over 4, get a decimal. And you could actually do that, plug in each one to see if it matches your decimal. That would be another way of doing it. Okay? Man, I know it's not fast, but you have to get correct, right? All right, so there you go.